Dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes of Class 5 EVS chapter number 7 Water. If you want the notes of other lessons, you can check the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. Question number 1. Where can you find more water on the earth? Answer: oceans. Question number 2. What is the consumable quantity of fresh water? Answer: only 2.5 to 2.75% is fresh water. Next question. What are the sources of fresh water? Answer: groundwater, surface water, stream, rivers, lakes, reservoirs. Next question. Write your known sources of water. Answer: ocean, rivers, wells, ponds. Next question. Name some important rivers of Karnataka. Answer: Kaveri, Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Malaprabha, Kali river, Netravati, Bhadra, Tunga river. Next question. Write the names of any two water reservoirs in Karnataka. Answer: Almatti, Baswa Sagara. Next question. Difference between pond and reservoir. Answer: an artificially man-made low-level portion of land is called pond. Its capacity of water is less. Dams are constructed across the river. These are storage capable of storing water in large scale. Next question. Write the uses of pond and reservoirs. Answer: pond, lawns and soil-based plants require watering, and it's good to have somewhere for rainwater to go instead of being wasted. Reservoirs used to generate electricity, irrigation, human consumption, industrial use, agriculture. True or false statement? Answer: water has weight. False. Water do not flow from higher level to lower level. False. Water do not occupy space. False. Particles in water are rarely arranged. True. Water gets evaporated when heated. True. Vapor turns into water when condensed. True. Next question. Why are water sources get polluted? Answer: water is physically polluted by mud, garbage, paper, food residuals, etc. Water being mixed with industrial chemicals, chemical fertilizers, insecticides have dangerous components which turns the water poisonous. Next main multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The largest source of water on the earth is river, ocean, pond, well. Answer: ocean. Next question. The substance in which solute is dissolved is called solution, solute, solvent, all of the above. Answer: solvent. Next main fill in the blanks. The two form of well: tube well and open well. Rainwater is the major sources of water on the earth. Water is universal solvent. 97.2% of water available on the earth is present in seas and oceans. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Next, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Mention the uses of water. Answer: water is used for many purposes like drinking, bathing, cooking and washing. It is also needed in large quantity for agriculture and industry. Next question. Name the different sources of water. Answer: the different sources of water are rain, river, ocean, pond, springs and wells. Next question. Which is the main source of underground? Answer: rainwater is the major source of water on the earth. What is spring water? Answer: water stored under the earth's crust come out on pressure through an opening. This is called spring water. Next question. Water is universal solvent. Explain with an experiment to show that water is an universal solvent. Answer: most substances dissolve in water. Take some water in a beaker, add a spoonful of salt to the water and stir well. You cannot see the salt. The salt is mixed up with the water, hence it is called universal solvent. Next question. What is potable water? Answer: water is used for many purposes. Water which is fit for drinking is called potable water. Next question. Why is naturally available water not fit for drinking? Answer: natural water contains many unwanted substances. It is necessary to purify water before it is used for drinking and cooking. The water with unwanted substances and bacteria used for drinking and cooking can cause many diseases like typhoid, cholera, jaundice and diarrhea. Next question. What is solution? Answer: a solution is mixture in which one substances get dissolved in another substances. Next question. What is a solute? Answer: the substance which dissolves is called solute. Next question. What is a solvent? Answer: the substance in which solute is dissolved is called solvent. So this is all about the question and answers and notes of lesson number 7 water. As I have told you, if you want the other lessons notes, you can see the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. Thanks for watching. अब तो अटकते नहीं ना.